Whose shirt is this?
I was wearing it yesterday, but then I switched to a white shirt because I've been on my white shirt vibe.
Blue jeans. Well, we're both wearing blue jeans.
White shirt.
This fool again? Stare at us, I think.
Can't stare. What's up?
What the f is wrong with this guy?
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This week, we're gonna be doing the people in front of us order our food. So we're just gonna go to a couple different fast food places. We don't know which places yet, but obviously we'll find out very shortly. We're just gonna pick what we see. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Cane's gonna be a lot of food at this point, for sure.
Cane's would be a lot of food. We have a lot of chicken at the end of it.
And it's gonna be it's gonna be the same thing if we go to Cane's.
We should go to different places. We can go to, so there's a Panda Express drive-thru. There's a Panera drive-thru. There's, like you said, McDonald's, Wendy's.
Let's go through Panda Express and Wendy's and Dutch.
The problem is you gotta get somebody in front of you.
Yeah.
Panda Express, Wendy's, and Dutch.
I think those are very different. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You heard it here first. Panda Express, which I'm kind of scared. Because people like some funky at Panda Express.
I only like orange chicken from Panda Express, so this is gonna be interesting.
I feel
so we're at
I
Panda.
like how I just got in line without checking that there, I didn't be oh good, there's people in line. We just got in line.
Well, you didn't, but I did.
Oh.
Okay. You're not the only one here. There's other people here who can make
Is your
decisions.
iPhone gold?
Yeah.
I didn't think of, I thought,
Is it really?
Yeah.
that would have been an outside verbal thing.
They didn't have a pink, well, you were talking, I wasn't gonna cut you off.
Cut me off.
They didn't have a
Can I
pink
say
one. Alright, so yeah, we're just gonna get what this car's getting. Looks like it's some, just a normal guy, I guess, in a
I
queso.
hope it's 2 people at least, on a lunch break. We came at a good time.
I'm just trying to figure, what do I say? Can I have exactly what the car in front of us had? What?
Yeah.
Is that what I say?
Be it's for this, challenge. Can I just have?
You don't have to tell me what it is.
Yeah.
I just want it. Okay.
Can I get you?
So, can I have exactly what the car in front of us had?
Yep, anything else?
No, that's it.
Alright, 858, thank you.
Perfect, thank you. That was easy.
858, not bad. So it's one thing.
That wasn't
They
hard.
probably got a drink too. They probably got a plate. I hope they got a plate. If
I
they
hope
got a
they
bowl,
got something good.
Alright, gonna be
Alright.
858.
This is so weird.
I wonder if they got a drink. What do you think they got a drink?
I hope they got a drink on Thursday. Thank you. I hope they got Coke.
I didn't see them.
Thank you.
So they
didn't get a drink. Alright, don't open it. I don't want to know what it is yet. I'm not
I
even gonna
can
look at the
smell
receipt.
it.
No, shh.
What do you mean? Why are you shushing my nose? I said
Because I don't want you to tell me what it is.
I know what it is.
I can't tell by the smell.
So now we're gonna go to Dutch. What are you gonna order?
What
I'm
the
just
person
kidding.
in front of me did? Is this a trick? Is this a
Okay,
test?
so for Dutch, should we just tell the guy hey, if they only got one drink,
Make 2.
2, yeah.
This is one place where we can't share. But I'm scared. But it can't be strawberry.
Okay, and just say you have an allergy to strawberry.
I'll be can
make
we
one
have
of-
exactly what the car in front of us had? But if it has strawberry, can you just make me a surprise?
Yeah.
And then write it, and then I'll be can you write both drinks on a piece of paper, fold up the piece of paper, and then give it to me, so that I know what it is later? Can I do that?
Yeah.
It's Dutch. They're not going to say anything about it.
They're
Because at least
literally
for
gonna
the
be
other places,
so
it's
cool.
on the receipt, so we can always check it later.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, this car's my ship too.
Glasses?
How am I supposed to get in here? That's nice. Alright.
That was.
He's laughing at the whole time.
Was he really?
Yeah.
I'm having the time of my life.
fine.
Bree's a really good driver.
Back up,
There's just
Terry.
horrible people. No, like horrible other drivers.
Yeah, see, I feel like I just get unlucky while I'm
Yeah.
driving. So it makes me seem like I'm bad, but like I never do anything that's bad. People just f me over.
What if it's coffee?
Yeah, see, like
What is that? Yeah, what is a Fiat 500L drink?
a Rebel.
They have a marine sticker.
Probably like a Rebel.
Or like cold brew. Oh,
I'm kind of scared.
well, no. Oh, it's 93. It's 93 out. Sorry, guys. Update.
That's what I thought. There's no way it was 83 degrees outside.
Yeah, I was literally going.
Sorry.
What are you thinking about cooking, nuggets?
Can I have what the person in front of us got?
Perfect.
But I have like I'm allergic to strawberries.
We
So
want
like
it to be a surprise to us.
yeah, we don't want to know what it is.
Perfect. Good. So neither you can eat strawberry?
I can't have strawberry, yeah.
Cool.
But can we have two? If they only got one drink, can we have two? Or if they got two drinks, can we just have both?
Perfect. Awesome. And do you want me to do the same surprise or different surprises?
Different.
If they got two different drinks, can we have the two different ones?
Okay, sweet.
Hi. Good. How are you?
So now we're getting.
Raspberry Rebel and the medium.
Yeah.
Raspberry.
Thank you.
And then this is strawberry and mango.
Thank you.
You guys have a stamp card?
Can we have a new one? Thank you.
Have a good one, you guys.
You too. So that was kind of a fail, but on the bright side, mine doesn't have strawberry and Kiki's does, and she didn't label it, so I'm glad she told us.
That's interesting.
True.
But it's also a Rebel, and I don't do well with energy drinks, so I'm probably not going to finish this. But I'll try it.
Or can I drink mine now? Like take a sip now.
So we've made it to Wendy's. Luckily, we're behind this really cute car with a little tramp stamp butterfly sticker.
That's exactly what I was thinking. Like the description I was thinking of when I was looking at it.
Yeah, so
I'm hoping there's like kids in the car, so she's getting like a bunch of like kids meals.
I think that out of the places we've gone to, which has only been two, this is probably the safest. Because there's not really much you can do that's going to make it nasty. Like, but for me, besides like put like tomatoes on a burger, like that's the only thing that's going to gross me out. Aside from that, like, what else can you really do here? Nothing.
Okay, so it's one girl in there for sure. I can't tell if it's just one or... Because she's like looking over this way.
Have the exact same thing that the people in front of us got?
Yeah.
Yeah, but, and then can you not tell us what they got?
Okay.
Perfect.
No problem. Thank you.
How much is it?
76 cents.
I would cry. Dylan, you said you got this one, so that's you, buddy.
Love to see it.
Pass that card up here, buddy. Freaking card relay, except he picked himself. 2 bags, not too bad.
2 bags? Were they big?
No.
So it's probably like a burger or something. I'm not gonna guess.
Just sign up, please.
And they're so big making you sign.
Hello.
I'm gonna sign upside down.
I love white people. Thank you. I've never signed a receipt at a Wendy's before.
We ballin'.
Really? Yeah.
I never have either.
That's wild.
So we just decided, not anonymously.
What the f? We're gonna go to Filiberto's too. Eroberto's. Eroberto's is right down the street. We're gonna go there
Hopefully
too.
they get carne asada fries.
That's what I was thinking too. But I feel like what are the chances?
Because they could get burrito tacos. Queremos tacos.
So we've made it to our last little food stop.
Can we just update them on how much food we got from Wendy's?
Yeah,
Like,
we.
these literally are so full. Like they're so heavy.
It's $32, but we don't know what it is yet.
Basically, I'm poor.
Yeah, Dylan paid for that one because Dylan signed himself up for
Yes.
that. He wanted to pay for that one, so. Can I have the same thing as the person in front of us?
I'm sorry.
Can I have the same order that the person ordered in front of us?
Ah, okay, the same.
Yeah, but don't tell me what it is.
It's 4 burritos.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm scared. Hi.
How,
Thank you.
how much?
40, 44. Pretty sure this is horchata. Horchata. Horchata.
I think we got a pretty good.
Thank you.
Okay, Brianna.
Thank you. 2 signatures in one day.
I'm just creeped out that he called you by your actual name, bro.
Melissa E.
I know, but
He's
still.
like doing it.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Exactly the same.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
What the f? I feel like he just poisoned our food.
So I'm not eating this.
We have made it in one piece. Did a little bit of a different setup now because there's a lot of food. Should we just show them?
So altogether, we spent $93 on all of this food from ordering the same thing as the people in front of us.
And we don't know
Literally what anything is. The only things that we know
are
the flavors of the Dutch drinks and that the Aeroberto's bag has 4 burritos. But even then, I still don't know if that's true or not
What if they're,
because
like,
the Aeroberto's guy I felt like he was playing us.
a little bit, a little
no,
bit.
Whatever.
So should we like?
What do you want to start with? Panda.
Okay. I feel like it's Christmas. Okay, Mom.
Open your
I'm
gift.
excited. I'm so excited. So we got soy sauce. We also have the receipt. I think I put it in one of the bags, but we'll just know what it is. Oh, and chili sauce. They asked for chili sauce.
Alright.
Yes! It's not bad. It's white rice,
Let me show them.
orange chicken, and I don't know what the other one is.
Beijing beef.
White
Yes.
rice. I'm so excited for the panda. Alright, this is like all we eat. I feel like
Well, just don't eat all of it right now. That way we
I'm
have
gonna
it
try
to
a
fall
piece
back
of the
on.
beef
The
because
beef's
I've
really
never.
good. How exciting! Do you want to do Roberto's next or Wendy's?
Dylan, which one do you want to eat?
Alright, I'll just eat whatever.
Alright, let's do every burgers. Christmas. I hope he like labeled them. Again, the guy was really weird.
Oh, a verga.
There is 4 burritos.
No, no,
What?
no.
They asked for
Pepper.
like peppers on the side. Okay.
These are so big.
Extra.
What did he say? Sour cream.
Yeah.
So this one has sour cream on it.
Dylan doesn't do sour cream.
I don't know if they all have sour cream. I just think this one does.
Okay.
Ooh, this one's just carne asada.
This one is relleno,
Relleno?
I think. Relleno.
Relleno?
Relleno.
Relleno?
Relleno. What's that?
Relleno? I think it has something to do with like chilies.
Oh, that's not too bad. Oh, we
We're-
also got
I think it's horchata. Horchata.
horchata. Horchata. and a flimsy straw. We're not gonna use straws. We're saving the.
I was like, what is she doing? And then I was like, oh. Save the turtles. The turtles.
Yeah, it's horchata.
Horchata?
I kind of want one of the relleno burritos because, I mean, I'd probably normally resort to a beef burrito anyways. You know what I mean? And I don't know what this is, so I kind of want to like, and I really like chile relleno.
So good.
Kind of. So.
Oh, espérate.
Dylan, you want a burger?
Still burrito.
You want a burrito?
Why don't I get inside of them first though?
This one's just like beef.
Okay.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. No, yours has beans.
Yeah, it's like just a bean burrito. It kind of there might be, but like, Jill, I really hate speaking. I'm gonna move these bags. I feel like they're covering their face. There you are. I feel like chile relleno is normally served with like frijoles on the side. I don't know.
This one's just sour cream and carne asada. I'm in heaven.
Oh,
yours has rice and everything. I'm jealous. Wow. Okay.
So, we only saw one person in the car at Wendy's. Or at least I only saw one, right?
I couldn't see.
I only thought I saw one person in there. So I was like, it's probably gonna be a small order. And then we saw her signing a check, which then we soon learned to indicate that it was a large order. And it was like $33 for this. So, should we just like dig in?
Yeah, I'll start this one.
Okay.
So there's there's a hamburger. Oh, you got cookies. Oh, what the? We got dessert in this beef.
We got some cookies. Who orders cookies from Wendy's?
So I have a hamburger and a chicken sandwich. I'm assuming. Here.
I got a hamburger. And hamburger.
And then this guy. There's all burgers, not even French fries. What the? We have hamburger. Hamburger. Where are my fries? How am I gonna eat all this meat without potatoes? I need potatoes.
But they got cookies.
They got cookies, but not
and
fries.
a drink. No straw for you, Gwen Coco. You do that, cause if it's. This is gonna be kind of hard because I'm not big on hamburgers.
I feel like the fun of this is
I know.
getting to see what people got. I know for a fact you're not eating all this. At least we're not eating it all right now.
Yeah, no.
Because
Ow.
just looking at the food's kind of making my stomach, like I'm not as empty in my
Hungry?
stomach as I was before.
This is what I was saying earlier, like just.
Alright, so do you want one of these tiny ones or do you want one in like the foil? Alright, you can take the tiny one. No, actually no. Take the tiny one. No, take this big one because I'm scared of that one.
Okay, I'm gonna take a small one.
I'll take a big one.
Mama.
Mmm.
It's pretty good. I could eat like 5 of these. I'm just.
Oh, for sure.
But like nothing else.
Good job, I guess.
What was she ordering for? That's my question.
Probably
Her
kids.
children.
She got like 7 of them or what?
Probably like 4.
Yeah.
They got.
Look, if you go to Wendy's and you only get burgers or sandwiches and like, what are you doing?
They got 8 burgers.
And no fries. How do
And
you
1
want?
small cookie. And 3 cookies. Yeah, she probably has 6 kids. They break the cookies in half. They're pretty big.
No, they have to fight. They have to fight and only 3 of them get them.
Whoever eats the most burgers gets the cookies.
She's raising a team of Spartans.
My stomach hurts.
I think that we should like take this food to someone
We should like go look for homeless people.
and like hand it.
Yeah. Wow. Brie is really doing good.
Well, this one's a plain one.
It's like easy money.
This one doesn't have. The other one has bacon. Bacon. Why is there hair? Not from the food. It's from Dylan's nasty house.
What?
The people in front of us.
Choose our orders. We went to Wendy's, Roberto's, Dutch, and Panda Express. And it was an experience that we'll probably never live through again.
I don't think I can. I'm gonna die right now.
I don't. It's really hard having someone else control like what you get food wise, because like you don't know if you're gonna like it,
But you also don't know if you're gonna get a lot.
or like nothing.
I kind of
It was really interesting, like seeing how the cars in front of us supposedly got like 2 drinks when we got the same order and we only got 1.
Yeah, both places at Roberto's and Wendy's.
But
on their Wendy's receipt doesn't say drink, the second drink, so it's not like we paid for it and we didn't get it.
Yeah,
I'm
no.
pretty sure the large one was just water.
probably.
They just didn't give it to us because they probably asked for it at the window. So, I don't know what's going on at Roberto's. I really don't. But, yeah, we're going to see if we can find some people on the street and try to give it that
We're
way
gonna see if we make it out alive
first.
from all of this.
I really feel like I'm going to pass out. I'm tired. No, I'm tired.
It's hot, tired, not feeling so hot.
Can't really breathe. Gotta go take a But we'll see you guys next
No,
week.
yeah. Thanks for watching. If you guys made it all the way through, why don't you comment a French fry, since we lacked that today.
Do they have a French fry emoji?
Yeah.
What did?
Out of the $93, not one French fry. So,
Bye, guys.
bye.